This is Joe. He can draw. Oh boy, I don't know about these drawings, but he definitely can animate. Today, WMA dives into the world of idols. John's gonna animate one idol and use the same animation to create 12 unique idols. How the hell's he gonna do that? You're about to find out.
It's time to let John show us how it's done. Let's do this. Select your character. The blocks Judy with selected. Select your style. Default selected. Select your mode. 3ds Max. The blocks body mechanic rigs made simple and fun are now available for 3ds Max, Maya, and Blender. The blocks are simple to use, easy to customize, and most importantly, super fun to animate. Visit gumroad.com/watchmeanimate to get the blocks complete 12 character set now.
It is time to kick things off. Welcome to the show. Now, I've loaded up the original Jordan idol. Judy is a young teenager. She's a little shy and reserved. So, inspired by these three keywords, it is time to start the reposing. I'm going to begin with her legs. And in typical girl fashion, legs/feet pointing inwards will start us off on the right track. So in my mind, Judy is wearing a pair of jeans and having her hands in her back pockets is the body language that I'm going for. Now, no need to have the hands perfectly placed. As you can see, I'm totally cheating this by simply placing her hands in a fist and parenting them to a simple cube, which I will later on animate to control both arms. You don't have to have perfect placement, just placing the hands approximately where the jean pockets would be totally does the trick. Jumping right into polished pass, I'll start with the arms as they are a pretty big part of her personality in this animation. And I'm going to use the timing of Judy's left and right sway to reset her arms. And by reset, I mean having her elbows go in and out with a slight height adjustment on her arms to indicate that she's changed her pose from left to right. So it's a very simple motion, but more importantly, it reads well. Time to move up to her shoulders, and as she holds her screen right pose, I'm going to add in a little bounce to indicate that she's laughing and feeling joyful. Now, to accentuate this laugh, I'll add in a similar little bounce on the head by tweaking the Z rotation. Now, when this timing of the head bounce is done right, you can start to see and feel her performance coming to life. Down to the pelvis we go, and here we're going to play up the angles to really accentuate Judy's poses. Now, as you can see, it's visually way more interesting and adds more contrast between her lower and upper body. Next, I'll give her knees a little bit of translation as she shifts left to right. It's subtle, but these little details all add up to give her a better performance. Even though we are seeing her from the front only, I do like to play up the side performance. So as she shifts from side to side, we'll have her shift from front to back. Next up with the spine. Now, it feels good visually, but I do like to move this curve around just to see how it affects the spine. Sometimes it inspires an idea, but for now, we'll leave it as is since it is working. Final touch-ups on Judy's performance. This one went smoothly and was relatively simple in comparison to Jake's idol. Now, animation doesn't have to be complicated to be appealing, as long as you have good timing and decent poses, and Judy's idol is a perfect example of that. Two really basic poses with good timing, and when the timing is done right, you can have fun with the breakdowns. Three idols completed, 9 more to go as we continue this series, reusing Jordan's idol and transforming it into a brand new idol. So, moving forward, I decided to hold off on the WMA recaps and the full process videos to help speed up the rollout of Season 3 because I have some fresh, new, exciting content right around the corner that goes by the name of Walk Cycles Made Simple. It's going to be a big part of the channel, and I'm quite confident it's going to totally change the way you approach approach walk cycles. So stay tuned for that. Now, the blocks body mechanic rigs made simple and fun are now available for 3ds Max, Maya, and Blender. The blocks are simple to use, easy to customize, and most importantly, super fun to animate. Visit gumroad.com/watchmeanimate to get the blocks complete 12 character set now if you haven't yet. The link is in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.